So today's topic would be how one can do SEO without having a website. So first of all, let us understand, is it possible to do SEO without a website? The answer is yes. Because the thing is that the purpose of SEO is to rank a particular web entity higher in the Google search if someone types a particular query for that. Now for that to happen, it does not necessarily mean that you should have a website, because a website is particularly individual property which you own. But the thing is that there are plenty of other things which you can own as well. For example, there is the blogger platform from Google as eBlogger. There are some web 2.0 platforms like Medium, Tumblr, and there are plenty of other sites as well. Not only that, you can also list out your products on places like Amazon, Walmart, eBay, and you can also start optimizing them as well. Or you can even optimize for your videos if you upload your videos into the YouTube, which means that you just need to have one online platform. That platform you need to customize yourselves up to your services and product, and you can optimize that to appear in the rank for a given query or any kind of keyword. So having a website for SEO is not necessary. Thank you.